Good day guys, in this video we'll show you how to download your Firebase project, which is pretty simple to do. So follow my steps. Firstly, of course, make sure to log in into your Firebase, and then as you can see we have related development tools. Then you just press on this Firebase Studio button, you'll be redirected. Okay, and in here just make sure to choose which workspace you wish to export and download. So after that just click on it, as so, and it's going to be opening up in just a bit. And now guys, as you can see, we have this interface, and on the left, if you don't have it open, just expand it. It's pretty simple. You just click on this button right over here, and now you can access this menu right here, which is the Explorer. And then just right click on the CRC, and as you can see, you will have this zip and download button on the very bottom. Click on it. And bingo, as you can see, now you can download your workspace and your project easily to your computer in a zip format. If you open it up, there's going to be the CRC folder and all of your code and all of that stuff. That's pretty much it. As you can see, only a few steps and done. Enjoy the video guys, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.